My name is Ramyode and I work for Bangalore International Airport Limited. This is the 5th largest airport in the world in terms of passenger volume and in terms of area. And I handle as Assistant Vice President of Planning and Design. With Technonical, we are associated from 2020 onwards. And with Bangalore Airport, I have been working with them from 2017. Till now, the tour is educational a lot, and we got to see a lot of different products. The main thing about it was we had an inclination to see where our materials that are being used in our projects are getting manufactured.
I'm from Nextai Building Solution, India, and we are proud channel partners for Technonicol India. And this is the first time I visited the plant. It was a very great experience, and I find we will be facilitating with the Technonicol products for our clients. Recently, we have done few resorts, hotels, and commercial projects with the brand. And we are very optimistic about the products and the team of Technonicol.
Yeah, my name is Bhupendra Singh. I'm from Pune. The Doin Building Solutions is my company name. We have done a big projects, and there's a good support and help from the Russian team, and even from the I would say Bombay team like Amit and Meg. They have helped us a lot in completing the project, and their support is very nice. And we look forward to the same support.
We've been associated with Technonicol for a long time, and the journey has been beautiful. We've had the privilege of welcoming Anton to Goa once, and now it's a great visit to Russia. This is my first visit to Russia. We've just visited the plant, and it's a very beautiful integrated plant where right from the glass fiber to the complete product finish, the entire thing is very well covered. It was very interesting to visit, and it gives a lot of confidence in the capacity of the company and the kind of products. We could see some new products, and we look forward to getting this to India.
This is Mr. Reddy from Hyderabad, India. We are into construction chemical business since 2005. We were into distribution as well as the application business in India, particularly southern and eastern part of India. We are associated with Technonicol since 2017. We are working with bituminous membranes and HDB, SBS range. Now we are looking forward eagerly to work with PIR and XPS range as well. So one thing I want to say, so any associate or channel partner, first of all, the size matters. Size matters means like the size of the factory, the production capacity, what you have here in India physically, rather than sourcing from here and there and giving to your distributor or customer. So you are producing, in the backward integration, what you are producing today, fiberglass reinforcement, in-house to meet your logistics issues as well as the quality of the product, the customization of the product, everything. That is more impressive. And we would like to work on with our TN India in promoting of this new range of products which we had seen physically today in the factory. Earlier we used to hear about these products from them, and we used to get some samples. Since we came all the way here and we had seen the production process and the product variants, all these things, and the size of the factory. This gives us more confidence as a channel partner to put forward the product line, the complete range, the maximum possible extent in Indian market.